Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Gonzalez, and today I will be showing you how to use Animoto. Animoto is a partially free website that can be used to create video presentations. One reason I selected Animoto is because it is quite simple to use. Considering that I want to be a high school English teacher, Animoto can be used in the classroom to introduce new topics or new books to the students. The students can also use Animoto to create presentations about the books, the book authors, themes in the books, etc. that we learn in the classroom. Let's begin. In your search engine, type in animoto.com. Once you type this in, you will be taken to the homepage of the website. From here, you have two options: sign up for free or log in. If you do not already have an account, select sign up. You will use your email address to create an account and also a password of your choice. Because I have an account already, I will be selecting log in. Once you have created an account or logged in, you will be prompted to this page. For this tutorial, I will be using the Animoto 3 option on the left. As you can see, there are a variety of templates provided that you or your students can use. For my demonstration, I have selected Self-Introduction. This can be used to introduce yourself to the students or the introduction of students to you. When you select the template and it opens up, you will be asked to upload photos. Because I am creating a short introduction presentation, I will upload a picture of myself. Once the photo has been uploaded, it will be stored in the project section of the media library on the Animoto website. From here, select the photo that was provided in the template. Select the delete option because we will no longer be using that photo. Now, simply drag the photo that you have uploaded to where the old picture was. You can adjust the photo to your liking, and once you have decided that you like it, we will be moving on to changing the theme of the presentation. To change the theme of the presentation, you will select the Design button. This will open up a recommended themes that you can use for your project. I will be using the Calm Waters theme, which will be applied to all the slides in the presentation. If you scroll down, you will find text settings. This can be used to change the type of font, the color of that font, and the text style. Once you have selected your desired font, color, and text style, we will now be moving on to the audio portion. Next to the Design button, there is an Audio option, which allows you to pick from free music that you can add to your presentation. You can select between moods and genres, and there will be about 4 songs per genre, depending if you have the free or if you have the upgraded Animoto subscription. Once you have added audio, we can move on to the Ratio button. The Ratio button will allow you to change the layout of your presentation. You can select between square, landscape, and vertical. For my presentation, I will keep it on landscape. There are also a record button in case you need to record your presentation for students who might be missing class. There is also a comment section and an undo and redo button in case you make any mistakes, which of course, mistakes are okay. Now that I have selected a theme, music, and ratio for my presentation, I can begin working on what the information of the slides contain. As you can see on the bottom, the provided template slides are already filled in. Let's start by changing the information on the first slide. Begin by double-clicking the provided text. Highlight the text and begin typing what you would like your presentation to say. For example, mine will say, "Hi, I am Miss Gonzalez." After you have adjusted your text, on the left-hand side of the slide, you will find a Change Layout. This provides you with different layouts that you can add to your presentation if you do not want to keep the one that was provided in the template. As you can see, there are many different layouts which you can also add other photos to. I will be keeping mine simple just for the sake of the tutorial. Below the option to change the layout is a change color option. This will allow you to change the color of the background to whatever color of your choice, and also add an accent color, which can be found under the circle of my photo. As you can see, it is also changing the color of the other photos. Below the color option is an add text option. This will allow you to add a title, subtitle, quote, and source to your slide. It also provides a text layout. Moving back to the right-hand side of the Animoto website, you will find Media Library. This will show you the uploaded photos you have, which for me is just this one, and stock images that are provided by Animoto that you can add to your presentation. You can select any of these just by clicking and dragging them to your presentation. As you can see, Animoto is quite simple to use. If you need to change the design of your presentation, click the design button. If you need to change the text, the font, the color of the font, or the text style, stay on the design settings. Don't like the audio that you picked? Make sure you go back to the audio section and change the audio from all the moods and genres they have. If you decided that you don't like how the aspect ratio looks, click the ratio button next to the audio button, and you can select between square, landscape, and vertical. If you would like to upload more images to your presentation, go ahead and open your media library and select Project. Make sure to import from your device or any of the other options provided by Animoto. If you would like to use any stock images, make sure all you do is click and drag to your presentation. If you want to change any of the words, make sure to double-click, highlight, and then type. After following these steps, you are ready to create your own Animoto presentation. I'm excited to see what you create, and I hope you can use this in your future classroom. Thank you.